Quite a few animals out this morning after the rain. We went to Simo's Beach, another part of the Georges River Nature Reserve. Saw some rabbits straight away on our walk. And Mika was very interested in them. Continuing along the bushwalk, we stopped down at the dam. There was some waterfowl in the dam. Kookaburras around. And then Mika saw some more rabbits out in the field next to the dam area. Some wood ducks out sitting in the wet grass. Felt very rainforesty after all the rain that we had overnight. And the trees and the plants felt fresh for the animals to come out and explore. Continuing down near the riverbank, it does become quite rainforest in the vegetation with a lot more ferns. But normally I would see some western swamp wallabies hiding under, but I didn't hear or see any today. Mika was unsure of this bridge until I went across it first. And then as we got back to the car, after the few kilometres of walking, we came home, and ironically, I had a whole rabbit to give Mika for breakfast. So it was strange that we saw those rabbits on this morning's walk. Mika's new pond. And then she was out of it after a big walk this morning.